Nutrition in plants is a fascinating topic that explains how these organisms are uniquely equipped to make their own food. Let's explore this concept step by step, as if we were in a classroom discussion. Plants, unlike animals, have a remarkable ability called autotrophic nutrition, which means they can produce their own food. The process they use is called photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, plants take in water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight to create a sugar called glucose, which serves as their energy source. At the same time, oxygen is released as a byproduct, a gas that is vital for almost all living beings. Let's break down the key components involved in photosynthesis. Water, H2O. Water is absorbed by the roots from the soil. It travels upward through specialized tissues known as xylem, reaching the leaves where photosynthesis occurs. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Plants obtain carbon dioxide from the air. Tiny openings in the leaves, called stomata, allow carbon dioxide to enter the cells where it is used in the food-making process. Sunlight. The energy for photosynthesis comes from sunlight. Chlorophyll, the green pigment present in the chloroplasts of plant cells, captures sunlight and uses this energy to drive the chemical reactions of photosynthesis. The overall chemical equation for photosynthesis can be summarized as carbon dioxide plus water, sunlight and chlorophyll, glucose plus oxygen. In this equation, glucose is the carbohydrate that provides energy and serves as the building block for other vital molecules in the plant. Oxygen, on the other hand, is released into the atmosphere and is essential for the respiration of most living organisms. Now it's important to note that photosynthesis is not the only method through which plants obtain nutrients. While most plants are autotrophs, there are exceptions that rely on heterotrophic nutrition. For example, parasitic plants. These plants, such as Cuscuta, do not have chlorophyll and cannot perform photosynthesis. Instead, they attach themselves to a host plant and draw nutrients directly from it. Insectivorous plants. Some plants, like the pitcher plant or the Venus flytrap, grow in environments where nutrients are scarce, particularly nitrogen. They have evolved specialized mechanisms to trap and digest insects, supplementing their nutrient intake with the proteins and other compounds found in these organisms. Saprotrophic organisms. Although not plants in the traditional sense, fungi and mushrooms are part of this discussion because they obtain nutrients from dead and decaying organic matter. They play an essential role in recycling nutrients in ecosystems. Moving on, let's discuss how nutrients are transported within a plant. Once water and dissolved minerals are absorbed by the roots, they move upward through the xylem vessels to the leaves. In contrast, the food produced in the leaves, mainly in the form of sugars, is transported to different parts of the plant through phloem tissues. This internal distribution system ensures that every part of the plant receives the nutrients required for growth and repair. Another crucial aspect of plant nutrition is the replenishment of soil nutrients. As plants absorb minerals and nutrients from the soil, the quality of the soil can diminish over time. To maintain healthy plant growth, it is essential to replenish these nutrients. Farmers and gardeners add fertilizers or organic manure to the soil to restore vital elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. In natural ecosystems, leguminous plants play a significant role in this process. These plants form a symbiotic relationship with nitrogen-fixing bacteria, such as rhizobium, in their root nodules, converting atmospheric nitrogen into forms that plants can absorb and utilize. In summary, plants sustain themselves through a sophisticated process of photosynthesis, converting sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. This process not only fuels the plant's growth, but also provides the basis for life on Earth by contributing oxygen to the atmosphere and forming the foundation of the food chain. Additionally, plants employ various other nutritional strategies, such as parasitism and insectivory, to survive in environments where essential nutrients might be limited. Understanding these processes is crucial not only from a biological standpoint, but also for practical applications in agriculture and environmental management. By recognizing how plants obtain and utilize nutrients, we can better manage soil fertility and develop sustainable farming practices that support both plant health and ecosystem stability. This explanation covers the core concepts of plant nutrition in a detailed teacher-style manner. Each section builds on the previous one to provide a comprehensive view of how plants function as living, self-sustaining organisms.